A T4T membership provides a weekly video and an article about a topic that's specific to manufacturing leadership. The T4T sessions cover topics in the area of leadership, team development, lean, Six Sigma, and personal development. You want to think of a T4T membership like a video cast, which is something like a podcast, only it's delivered in video format, and each session comes with a downloadable article as well. A T4T membership is great for somebody who's mature in their manufacturing leadership journey. This will be somebody with a growth mindset who's looking for self-directed professional development. While the sessions are directed towards frontline manufacturing leaders, anyone at any level in manufacturing leadership is going to learn some new tools and techniques for improving operations. A T4T membership continually provides 4 videocast sessions and topic-related articles. These sessions are posted in a rolling format. Our weekly articles are in PDF format, and so they're downloadable to your desktop. And a T4T membership provides a mobile experience as well, so the videos can be viewed on your mobile device. A T4T membership provides over 12 months of weekly sessions, and the membership it can be canceled at any time. Now, if you're looking for more structured manufacturing leadership training, something with clear learning objectives, built-in accountability, and course certifications, then you definitely want to explore our CML courses. Details about our 4 levels of CML courses are found on our CML page on our Tools for the Trenches website. Regardless of what course you decide on, just know that Tools for the Trenches is designed specifically for manufacturing leadership development. Tools for the Trenches is effective, flexible, and affordable. At Tools for the Trenches, our goal is to help you produce manufacturing experts.